Hello friends, I am Tejasvi. Today I am back with a new video. Today I am going to tell you about Germany, the land of poets and thinkers. So let's begin. Germany. Germany is a Western European country with a landscape of forests, rivers, mountain ranges and North Sea beaches. It has over 2 millennia of history. Berlin, its capital, is a home to art and nightlife scenes, the Brandenburg Gate, and many sites related to World War II. Munich is known for its Oktoberfest and beer halls, including the 16th century Hofbräuhaus. Frankfurt, with its skyscrapers, houses the European Central Bank. Capital Berlin. The capital of Germany is the city-state of Berlin. It is the seat of the President of Germany, whose official residence is called Bellevue. The Bundesrat is the representation of the federal states of Germany and has its seat at the former Prussian Herrenhaus. Measuring approximately 23 miles from north to south and 28 miles from east to west, Berlin is by far the largest city in Germany. The city-state of Berlin is located in the northern European lowlands along the Spree River in the eastern Germany. It lies within the state of Brandenburg. Some of the historical events of Germany are World War I, World War II, Holocaust, Cold War, and the fall of the wall. King of Germany. First King of Germany was Wilhelm Friedrich Ludwig from 2nd January 1861 and the first German emperor from 18 January 1871 to his death. Last King of Germany was Wilhelm II. From 1888 to 1918 was one of the most recognizable public figures of World War I. He gained a reputation as a swaggering militarist through his speeches and ill-advised newspaper interviews. Chancellor of Germany. First Chancellor of Germany was Konrad Adenauer, presiding over its reconstruction after World War II. Current Chancellor of Germany is Angela Merkel, who was elected in 2005 and re-elected in 2009, 2013 and 2018. President of Germany. First President of Germany was Friedrich Ebert, leader of the Social Democratic Public movement in Germany and a moderate socialist. He attempted to unite Germany after his defeat in World War I. Current President of Germany is Frank-Walter Steinmeier. Language of Germany. German language, German Deutsch, is the official language of both Germany and Austria and one of the official languages of Switzerland. German belongs to the West Germanic group of the Indo-European language family along with English, Frisian and Dutch. Some of the famous festivals of Germany are Oktoberfest in Munich, DFB Pokal in Berlin, Reeperbahn in Hamburg, Berlinen in Berlin, Unity Day in Berlin. Friends, do you know that Oktoberfest is the most famous of all the traditional German festivals? 10 famous dishes of Germany are Maultaschen, Lapskaus, sausages, currywurst, Schnitzel, Rouladen, Sauerbraten, Sauermagel, Spargel, Rollmops. Religion of Germany. The main religion in Germany is Christianity, with around 2/3 of the population identifying as Christian. The number that actively practices Christianity is the form of church attendance, however, it is significantly lower. Why was Germany divided? After the defeat of Germany in World War II, the country was divided between the two global blocs in East and West. This period is known as the Division of Germany. Germany was stripped of its war gains and lost territories in the East to Poland and the Soviet Union. 7 things Germany is famous for: bread, beer, cars, castles, sausages, music, and Berlin. Some of the famous tourist places of Germany are Berlin Wall, Lake Constance region, Europa Park in Dresden, Kollegnik Cathedral, Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, Munich, or Hamburg. Friends, please like, subscribe, and share my channel, and do comments, as comments give me motivation to make new such videos. Thank you and have a nice day. See you later. Bye.